Hello. So in this question, we're asked to divide this polynomial by 3x plus x squared plus 1. Now notice something. The divisor, that's the one that is dividing, is not arranged well according to how polynomials need to be arranged. Remember, a polynomial arrangement is always from what? The highest degree down to the lowest degree of x. So look at this. The highest degree of x is x squared, but it is not written as the first value. Therefore, we have to rearrange this before we solve. So rearranging this, it will be what? It will be x squared plus 3x plus 1. And likewise, it also goes for the polynomial that is being divided as your dividend. If it is not well arranged, make sure before you begin to solve, you rearrange it. It is essential. If not, you'll be getting the wrong answer. Now, let's solve this particular question. Here we have this. So we have this as what? Let me just take this. I want to take it a little bit up so that I can have enough space to solve. We have 2x raised power 4 minus 3x raised power 3 plus x squared minus 4x plus 5 divided by what? Let me use the rearranged version, divided by x squared plus 3x plus 1. Now we start dividing. 2x raised power 4 will divide x squared, and what do we have? We have what? 2x raised power 2, because 2 will subtract from 4, and that will just give us 2. Then we multiply everything through. 2x squared times x squared will give us what? 2x raised power 4. 2x squared times 3x will give us plus 6x raised power 3. 2x squared times 1 will give us plus 2x squared. And then we can subtract. In subtracting, we have that 2x raised power 4 minus 2x raised power 4 is 0. Then minus times plus here will give us minus, so it's like saying minus 3x raised power 3 minus 6x raised power 3, and that will give us what? Minus 9x raised power 3, or minus 9x cubed. Then x squared minus, also because minus times plus is minus, x squared minus 2x squared will give us minus x squared. And then we can bring down the remaining values, which is minus 4x plus 5. Then we'll divide again. We have that minus 9x cubed divided x squared will give us what? Minus 9x. And then minus 9x divided multiplying x squared will give us back minus 9x cubed. Minus 9x multiplying 3x will give us minus 9 times 3, it will be 27. 27x. X squared, 27x, because x times x will give us x squared. Minus 9x multiplying plus 1 will give us minus 9x, minus 9x, and then we subtract. Subtracting, we have that 9x minus return to plus is minus 9x cubed plus 9x cubed is 0. Minus times minus again is plus, so minus x squared plus 27x squared will give us what? It will give us 26x squared. Then minus times minus again is plus, minus 4x plus 9x will give us what? It will give us plus 5x. Bring down plus 5. And then we continue our solving. So we have that 26x squared divide x squared will give us what? It will give us just 26. 26 times x squared will give us 26x squared. 26 times 3x will give us what? It will give us, let's do that outside. 26 times 3. 3 times 6 is 8. Carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, so 78. So this is 78x. And then 26 times 1 will give us what? 26. And then here we can then subtract again to get our new value. So 26x squared minus 26x squared is out. 5x minus times plus is minus, so 5x minus 78 will be giving us around 73. That will be minus 73x. And then 5 minus 26 will be giving us minus 21. So this is where we end it, because we know that this x here is lower than the value of, that's the degree of x here is lower than the degree of x here, so this cannot divide this. So that's where we stop. So once the degree of x is lower than the one here, or it is not equal to it, then it cannot go. So so that means our value when dividing this is what? 2x squared minus 9x plus 26, remainder minus 73x minus 21. Thank you.